Welcome back, 8th graders, for Chapter 3.7, Graphing Linear Systems of Equations. Before we begin, make sure that you have two different colored pens to graph these. If you don't, press pause, go get them, come back. What we're going to be doing here is graphing two different lines. We're going to see where they intersect, and the solution for the system is going to be the point of intersection. The first thing you will do is graph each equation using the slope-intercept form and method, and then you will find the point of intersection for the two lines. You will write that intersection as an ordered pair. I'm going to use blue for my first line. My slope is going to be -2. My intercept is going to be 0, -2. Remember, again, subtraction means to add the opposite. I will graph 0, -2. Using a slope of -2 means I want to slide down the line. So I go up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1, etc. Or I go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Then I can use a ruler or carefully draw in the line. I'm going to use red for the next one. Again, subtraction means to add the opposite. So my slope is going to be 1. My intercept is going to be 0, -5. So I go to my graph. 0, -5 is down here. I'm going to be having a slope of 1, which means up 1, right 1. So that's basically a kitty corner type line. And down 1, left 1, kitty corner type line. I'm looking here. Now hopefully yours is a better drawn line. I actually would intercept right here, which is going to be 1 and -4. Okay, let's go on to example 2. You hit pause at this time, and then I will show you how it's done. Okay, my slope is -1/4. My intercept is 0,3. Whoops, that was equal signs again. 0,3. -1/4. Up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not a very well drawn line. Hopefully yours looks better than mine. Slope here is going to be 1. Add the opposite, so my intercept is going to be 0, -2. 0, -2. Down 1, left 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. Down, so it's another kitty corner line. My intersection looks a little better here. Okay. My intersection point is right there at 4, 2. And hopefully you got the same thing. Okay, now, how do we use this? Businesses use this all the time in graphing expenses and incomes and figuring out where their break-even point is. A break-even point is where your income equals your expenses. You are not going to make any profits until you get over that break-even point. If you remember back to your entrepreneur projects, let's say that you found out that you had to make 25 items, sell 25 items just to break even. If your expenses were $50 and you're charging $2 a piece, that would mean $25 or 25 items had to be sold. So you are not going to make a profit until you sell at least 26. Okay. You're going to sell the calendars, and you are going to spend $2 to make each, and another $20 for film and developing. You are going to sell them for $4 each. We're going to graph and find the break-even point. Okay, for the income, which, oh boy, I think I used red for that, didn't I? Yep. Okay, income. y equals, oops, oh well, it'll work. Usually we use pencil for this, so I should use y, is 4x. The expenses are going to be y equals $2 for each calendar plus $20 for the film and development. Okay, now just like the other day, when I was going to graph these, I start with 0 for x, so that would be 0, 0, and then I'm going to choose 25, simply because I want to. I could choose 20 or 10 or 30 if I wanted to. I'm going to choose 25. That would be a 100, because 25 times 4 is 100. 5 would give me 20, so that helps me get a pattern. And I draw my line. Normally this is in black, so I would do a little like that. My blue, okay, I'm going to start with 0 again. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 20 is 20. And again, I'm going to choose 25, because 25 times 2 is 50, plus 20 is 70. So this is 60, this is 80, so this one has to be 70 over here. So I will draw the point in. I'm going to draw in 5 as well, 530, so I know where my pattern is. Okay. Now, if you'll notice, here is where you intersect. You bring it straight down, so you're going to have to make 10 calendars in order to break even, which means you'd have to make 11 before you'd make a profit. If you only sell 9, you're going to lose money. So let's go on to the next one. This time you're going to make t-shirts. You're going to spend $5 for each t-shirt, and there's your plus, $30 on the decorating. You're going to sell them for $10 each. You're going to write and graph the equations and find the break-even point. So at this particular point, I would like for you to hit pause. You do the problem, I'll do it, and then I'll explain it. Okay, class, your income equation is going to be y equals 10x. Your expenses are going to be 5x plus 30. I graphed income in blue and the expenses in red. I found out where they intersected. I came down and found that you need 6 t-shirts. And that will conclude lesson 3A7. So scouting out.